Investing in real estate without owning property directly involves participating in real estate investment opportunities through alternative methods. Here are some strategies. Real estate investment trusts. Invest in REITs, which are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate. REITs allow investors to buy shares and receive dividends based on the income generated by the underlying properties. Real estate crowdfunding. Participate in real estate crowdfunding platforms that pool funds from multiple investors to invest in properties. Investors can contribute smaller amounts of capital and gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of real estate assets. Real estate syndication. Invest in real estate syndications led by experienced sponsors who pool funds from multiple investors to acquire and manage properties. Investors receive returns based on the performance of the underlying assets. Real estate ETFs and mutual funds. Invest in exchange-traded funds or mutual funds that track real estate indices or invest in companies involved in real estate development, management, or services. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to real estate investors or developers through peer-to-peer lending platforms. Investors earn interest on their loans, which are typically secured by real estate assets.